never easy to come in. You've been sitting out and you're not warmed up. It's hard to sight the ball. Remember, the bowler has been fresh, coming off a recent over. That's why they say it's very important to warm up.
Gone are the days, Salman, but when we used to play, get out, early shower, no more, because in white ball cricket, super over is on. You've got to be switched on.
I think when I was playing, there was a super over, so it's taken me like a decade back.
Salman is not too old, man. That's something to debate about. We'll talk about it later. Once again, Ahmed Danya backpedals and takes a very good catch of his own bowling. The momentum is going to go forward as the follow through puts the break, runs back and takes an easy catch.
He is a wonderful athlete. He just bowled it the hard length, the extra effort ball, giving less time to Saqlain, who tried to go big, understandably, and didn't get any timing. And as you just mentioned, putting the brakes on, running back and completing a decent catch.
Yeah, banking on his strength, Ahmed Danya, even the first ball that he bowled, banged in into the leg. Once again, too good for Saqlain. He completes a very good catch in the end. Saqlain departs without troubling the scorers. Bangladesh A, 1 for 1.
এটা সুপার আবার এনে দরকার হলো রান 20 মেজাজটা গরম করে দিল
Jishan Alam, the last man in. On the next side, Nazi Gori got an hand but just not good enough. Rubbing salt into the wound, wide goes around.
That's a gift from Ahmed Danial down the leg side wide, 5 runs. Pressure, that's pressure, Salman.
No need to change, not at all. There's a fresh batter coming in who wasn't expecting to bat 10 minutes go back in time, and now you just want to change your length. Not the right idea. And the keeper, well, he has had a tough time in the last 2 games.
Tailing down the leg side, hit out reverse swing. Nazi Gori, that's a valiant attempt. That's encouraging stuff for Danial right throughout the death overs in the tournament. He's been getting the ball to tail back in with the right hander. He has to start around the 4th off stump to finish swinging around middle stump. Much better and clean bowls him. Length delivery, probably Jishan Alam expecting a fuller delivery. He misses it and Danial strikes for the second time.
Exactly as you just mentioned, just start from outside the off stump, and that length, once again the hard length, brings the undoing of Jishan, and the Bangladesh innings is over at 6 runs. Half the over bowled, 7 to get for Pakistan.
Yeah, 3 balls to go. Bangladesh are done. Both their wickets are gone. Jishan Alam must have thought that he should have played that for a single. Maybe Bangladesh should bat those first over. That's 6 balls. 6 already on the board. Bangladesh are done.
Danger man, just faced one delivery. That was the downfall for Bangladesh. Abubur Rahman got a single from the first ball. Yet to watch agonizing from the non-strikers, and both his partners been dismissed for some excellent deliveries by Ahmed Danial. Into the super over in the first semi-final. Team batting second at that time. Bangladesh A won pretty easily. Now, Pakistan, when they come out to bat, they've got to make 7 runs with 2 wickets in hand. Same question for you, Maza. Who's your choice for the super over?
Nipon Mondal. Just to provide some hope to the Bangladeshi fans as well, he's bundled out India A without even scoring a run in the super over. So there's still a hope.
For Pakistan, Shaheen Salman. Have a look at Ian again. Seeing the straight one, and Ahmed Danial, what a player he is. He's inching towards, in my opinion, even for the man of the series, the way he has performed. just on Pakistan Shaheens, maybe a right hand left hand combination.
Yes, I wouldn't mind that. Mahas Sadakat would be the choice. And maybe Saad Masood, the guy who scored 38 not out and looked good. Because you need to find somebody with some confidence from his fresh knock, and that is the person.
Yeah, I'll probably go with Mahas Sadakat and Saad Masood just on pure. Yeah, they've scored runs on the day.
Yeah.
এই জায়গাটায় হারিয়ে
Gonna be a
গেলে
good
কেমনটা লাগে
test between bat and ball. David Ham, with all his experience, mentioning the fact that to keep them calm. Ripon Mondol,
বেড়া ফালতামি
sure
করে
he
সময়
must
নষ্ট
be the ball
করছে
in
যা
his hand.
আহা,
Bangladesh
গালাগাল।
can still dream.
Millions watching this coverage. Bangladesh, Ripon Mondal did the unthinkable against India. Dismissed Jitesh Sharma and Ashutosh Sharma in the super over. Millions are watching in Dhaka, Chattogram, Khulna, Borisal. All these places, they be glued to the TVs.
So the news is just Mahas Sadakat and Saad Masood both gonna come out, and Irfan Khan Niazi, the skipper, has padded up as the third player.
Yeah, left and right hand combination, not a bad call.
Interesting
to see how they go about. They just need 7 to win.
I think it's a very good choice. Two players have scored runs on the day, left and right hand combination. Could never ask better. And I'm with you, Maza, when you said Ripon Mondal, he should be the one. He's a match winner from semi-final, has the confidence. Bowled well today as well, 25 to 3 of his 4 overs. Definitely he should be the one.
Saad Masood will be up against someone like Ripon Mondal, who bowls those Yorkers to perfection. They need 7 to win. Ripon Mondal will be eyeing those block hole right from the word go.
Interestingly, Saad Masood is going to strike. Right-hand batter, Mahas Sadakat, the highest run getter in the tournament, is on to play in the super over, chasing 7 runs and isn't facing.
Ripon Mondal, can he rips through Pakistan Shaheens? He's been excellent, certainly find of the season for Bangladesh. Very good attitude, good action, good run out. Here's an opportunity for Ripon to make history or create history. 4 fielders in the circle, short third, short fine, half point and extra cover. Here comes Ripon. Yorker straight away, bang on the money. Could be going down the leg side. The umpire will signal
সুন্দর বল
for a leg bye.
Yeah, what a start. Pretty much expected though from Ripon. Why those block hole? Yeah, from Bangladesh's point of view, a couple of dot deliveries might put the Pakistani batters under some sort of pressure.
Dot balls and preferably a wicket. That is what Bangladesh will be looking for. And for Pakistan, they need to know it's just one hit away.
Indoor reverse swing was tailing back in to the right hander, which will go away from the left-handed Mahas Sadakat. Field remains the same.
বল
In the slot, running to split throw, directed would have had him. His excellent cricket. Was excellent by Ripon Mondal, off his own bowling, following through, trying to take the stumps off at the non-strikers end.
How good Ripon has been. On the target, under pressure, delivering the goods. Brilliant execution of the Yorker length delivery. Time and again, when Bangladesh has required, he has come up with the goods.
Great control, must say. Never easy bowling those Yorkers. He's bowled 2 on 2. Here comes Ripon.
বল কর বল
Full toss. Saad Masood, good pace of that. That went like a bullet to the boundary. Sufyan Mukim, he has to remember there's one more run to be made.
That is excitement. He ran as if Pakistan had won the trophy already. Ball back from the ring. Look at him. Look at the require one now, and Bangladesh would require a miracle.
It's not finished until it's finished. Sufyan Mukim. It was lovely to see the sprinting in almost to the 30-yard circle. He was asked to go back. Brilliant. But under pressure, Shad Masood, what a shot. There was pace, there was hint of reverse swing. He went with the swing. Pakistan